Hey y'all, let's make flower pattern marble cupcakes. I'm starting with chocolate batter, then I'll make vanilla cupcake batter. Both recipes are same except all-purpose flour proportions. You can also try single recipe, either chocolate cupcakes or vanilla cupcakes. These are most simple cupcakes recipes and they always turn out really well. Add 1 tablespoon of each batter in the middle. Repeat until the mold is 3/4 filled. Bake them at 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes or until done. Don't remove the cupcakes from the mold until they are fully cooled down. Your delicious, moist and spongy cupcakes are ready to serve.